Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are cut December Camp A5 Brochure template. You can easily down from the link in the description. Here is the outside. You just need to simply customize it from here. Just double click on text and click replace to write your own text. Customize it, and it is totally customizable. You can edit anything in here. You can simply change the hands, background. So, and this is outside and here is inside. There is a just mistake in naming them. The second one is outside and the first one is inside. So here this is the inside. About your camp, your photos, and edit the text, so on. Completely customizable. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Have a nice day. Take care.